or 0 and display a message. Okay, so whenever we are taking a number to check whether it is positive or negative, we can check the further value of the number. Okay, whenever any situation, if you want to write, if you want to code something like this, you want to put a if else keyword combination with a single if, then you can go for this type of syntax. In this situation, we are getting a number from user, and if number greater than 0, if number equal to 0, print 0. Okay, else print positive number, else print negative number. So this if else statement, combination of if else, is the part of this if only. This if else combination is a part of if number greater than equal to 0, and this else is a part of this if. So whenever you are putting a combination of if else inside the if condition, then the nested if else statement will come out. Okay, so in this code we are checking a condition inside a if condition statement. So this is the if condition equal to 0. You want to check another condition inside the if, then you are writing if condition 2. This was the condition 1 and this was the condition 2, which you want to check after checking this condition statement, and putting a statement inside this if else print positive number. So what's the condition to becoming a positive? The number you have to check, the number have to be greater than 0. All the numbers which are greater than 0 are the positive number. What else if the number is 0? Because in this condition 0, if you are checking 0 with a 0, then condition will be true. If user is putting 0, the number, if user is providing you the number which is 0, then the first condition will be true. Why it will be true? Because the condition is greater than equal to 0. Because when the number is 0, then what you are writing here, 0 greater than equal to 0. So the condition will be true. Next, what, the 0 will not be positive, 0 will not be negative. That's why we have to put another condition whether the number is 0 or not. If the number is 0, then print 0, else the number is positive. So we are putting two conditions here. In the first condition, we are checking all the numbers which are between 0 and greater than 0. So in the first condition, if user is putting the 0, will become true, because 0 greater than equal to 0 will be the true condition. And in the second situation, we have to check whether the number is 0 or not. If the number is 0, then a statement 0 will be print as the number is positive. If the number is greater than 0, if the number is not 0, only these number will be the positive number here. Okay. So, and if this condition is false, if the first condition is false, then the statement will keep on the else statement and the print negative number. So all the numbers which are not greater than 0 will be negative number. So this is the syntax of nested if statement. We can run this. Okay, so you have to print a number here, and it will check whether this number is greater than or 0 or not, whether it is positive or not. And these are some references for the topic. You can go for these W3 schools and programmist.com, and you can track the another example of the if else condition and all. So thank you so much.